Hi, my name is Muhammad Farriez ESKANDAR bin Abdul Aziz. I'm from section 1-2. Choose sine voltage as input and set it to frequency 60 Hz and the voltage is 200, and then pick R1 and the value is 910 ohm, 2 multimeters and 1 wattmeter, and then connect the multimeter to the power and the wattmeter is tapped to the wire power supply. Next, connect the resistor to the multimeter and the wattmeter. And then set the multimeter to sine and run the circuit. For the next part, we will change the R1 to R2 and the R2 value is 1.8 k ohm and connect it to the wattmeter and the multimeter. After that, run the circuit and we will get the result. For the last one, change the R2 to R3 and the value is 3.3 kilo ohm. Next part is we are going to connect the resistor and the inductor in parallel. So we are going to use R1 and L1 and then connect it to parallel and run the project. After that, change the resistor and the inductor value for R2 and L2. And the last one for RL circuit, change the value of resistor for 3.3 kilo ohm and the inductor is 8.2 Henry and run the project to get the result. The last one is RC circuit. We are going to connect the resistor and the capacitor in parallel. R1 will be connected in parallel with C1. So we will run the project and get the result. After that, change the value of R1 to R2. It is 1.8 kilo ohm and the capacitor 1 to capacitor 2, it is 2 microfarad. Last one, change the R2 to R3, 3.3 kilo ohm and C2 to C3, 3.9 micro.
Okay, hi. Today I would like to show my simulation for assignment 1. First, pick the source AC power. And then take the resistor into the circuit and then change the value of R1, which is 910 ohm. Change the voltage of the source power to 200 volt and pick 2 multimeter into the circuit and 1 wattmeter into the circuit. Then connect the source to the multimeter and into the resistor connect the multimeter into the source, and voltmeter connect to the source also, and the negative pin go to the negative multimeter, and then the voltmeter connect to the resistor, and the negative pin go to the ground. Then put ground into the circuit and connect it into the circuit. And then run the circuit, and we get the result. Second, change the value of the resistor to R2, which is 1.8k ohm, and then run the circuit and get the result. Don't forget to change the sine wave at the multimeter. After then, change the value of the resistor to 3.3 kilo ohm, which is R3, and run the circuit and get the result. That's for our resistive load. And now I'm going to show the simulation for RL load. Make the inductor parallel with the resistor, and then run the circuit and get the result for R1 and L1. And now choose the other resistor and other inductor, which is R2 and L2, into parallel. After we parallel the resistor and the inductor, we run the circuit and get the result. So now we are going to do the other resistor and other inductor, which is R3 and L3. Sorry for the mistake. Change the value of the resistor to R3 and then parallel it, and then run the circuit and get the result. So now I want to show the simulation for RC load. Parallel the resistor and the capacitor, which is R1 and C1 is parallel, and run the circuit and get the result. Now parallel the capacitor which is C2 to R2, and get the result. Lastly, parallel the C3 to R3 into the circuit. And then run the circuit and get the result. Okay, thank you.
Okay, first choose AC power, select, okay, place it, then search for resistor, basic and resistor, so choose rotate and place it, and close. After that take one multimeter, put over here, then one more for current, then take wattmeter to measure power. So draw the wire, put on positive, negative, straight to resistor. Okay, then out resistor, go to positive wattmeter. Okay, negative, go to negative supply. For positive V, go to positive V supply. Negative current, go to negative wattmeter. Then multimeter for watt, positive to positive supply, negative to negative supply. After that, okay, ground, select ground, then place a wire. Okay, let's go run. No, set supply to 200, set resistor to 110 and 910. Run. Open multimeter, and wattmeter. Okay, must change to AC supply. For multimeter 2, we measure current, so peak current, and then stop, then change to next resistor, 1800. Run again, wait for result for measurement, and stop, change to 3300. Okay, run. After get result, stop. Okay. Okay, after that we need to add inductors. I made it parallel to with resistor. So we draw wire on top and bottom resistor parallel with resistor. Then we run and get the result. Stop and change the value resistor to 1800 and value inductance to 3.9 Henry. Run again, get the measurement. After that we stop, change the value again to 2300 and for inductance 8.2. Click OK. Run, get the measurement, then stop. Okay, after that we need to replace inductance with capacitor. Wait, inductance, delete, add capacitor, rotate, place it, draw the wire parallel with resistor, change the value resistor to 910 and run, get the measurement, stop, replace value to 1800, replace capacitor value, click OK, run again, wait for measurement, stop, change the value again, change value capacitor, and run again, wait for the measurement and stop. Okay, that's all.